Hey there! Childcare is usually a family's largest expense after the mortgage, and the one most people never sit down and total up properly. Let me walk you through the daycare and childcare expense tracker, tab by tab. Start on the dashboard. It's not what you're spending on childcare, how it splits by child and provider, and what you're on track to recover through tax benefits. Provider comparison sets your options side by side on cost, hours, ratios, and what's included. So you're comparing like with monthly expenses is the working log. Every payment by child, provider, and category month by month. The FSA tracker follows your dependent care account, what you've contributed, what you've claimed, and what's left before you forfeit it. The tax credit estimator works out your likely child and dependent care credit from your income and eligible expenses. The babysitter log records casual care, hours, rates, and who, which adds up faster than most people expect. The summer camp tab covers the holiday gap, which is often its own separate budget problem. Nanny Share works out cost splits between families, if you're going that route. Cost projections runs your childcare costs forward as kids age in and out of care, so you can see when it eases. And multi-child discounts tracks sibling rates and what they're actually saving you. That's the whole workbook. Grab your copy from the link below, and if you get stuck, just message me. Thanks for watching.